how to remove payment method on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you remove payment method on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you will get this kind of interface. From here, at the top, simply tap on your Apple account. And from this section, simply tap on payment and shipping. And from this section you'll be able to view your every payment and shipping method. Tap on the card or payment method you want to remove. In my case, I have no any. Simply tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll have to just scroll down and find the option for remove payment method. Simply tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll have to just confirm with the password, and that's it. From there you can remove your payment method on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.